Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the Officers Adda 24/7, the special YouTube series of your LRB subject in the English medium language. First of all, I just want to give you a one big news that if you purchase any book of your JAIIB and CAIIB, so if you use the code Y391S, you can exactly get the 22% discount plus free shipping on all the Adda 24/7 book. So if you are new in this session, if you want to purchase the book, because it is a time to read the books, because whatever the paid batch we are teaching, that is sufficient. If you purchase the book, you can easily revise what you want in a very detailed form. Then mock paper that is available in the paid batch, then ebooks that is available in the paid batch. So if you do that thing now, you will absolutely crack your exam. So those candidates who are new in this session, first of all, do not forget to like and subscribe our channel and use the code Y391S for the maximum discount in the book. Now, so we are doing the important questions of your LRB. So today also we will do the important questions. So before starting the question series, I always want to highlight you that this LRB subject is the last subject of this session. After November, this subject will be no more subject of your JAIIB. So that's why this is the last opportunity that you have to grab it. If you want to score a very good marks in your JAIIB exam, so you can easily score 70 plus marks in your LRB, because the concept of LRB as comparison to the PPB and other subjects are very much easy. So that's why if you want to get a good marks, you have to learn whatever the teacher is teaching you in the class. Okay, so for this one in the English medium, the LRB class will be start from 5th of September. So do not forget to enroll in this batch. Okay, now the first question. The question is on the screen. The first one is, unclaimed deposit means a deposit not operated for 3 years, 5 years, 7 years or 10 years. This question is very easy. Unclaimed deposit means the deposit which is done by the customer, but that is not claimed for how many years, that it will be called as the unclaimed deposit. It is also known as DEF account. So whether it is 3 year, 5 years, 7 year or 10 year, what is the exact answer? This question that is given in under section 26 of the Banking Regulation Act, Banking Regulation Act 1949. This is very important. Tell me the exact answer of this one. Those candidates who have given the answer 10 year, this is the right answer. If any unclaimed deposit is for 10 year, then only this deposit will be called as the unclaimed. So that's why D is the right answer. Okay, now what is the time limit for DRT? What is DRT? That is the Debt Recovery Tribunal. To complete the process, what is the time limit for DRT to complete the process? Whether it is 6 month, 9 month, 12 month, and no such limit is required. For every court, for every tribunal, there must be the time limit that is given under the Limitation Act, that within that time limit you have to solve the case. So under this one DRT, they have to complete the process, whether it is 6 month, 9 month, 12 month or no such limit is required. What is the exact answer? The questions are very important. So those candidates who are new in this session, do not forget to see all the classes from class 1 to till now, And if it is possible, class, just write down the one word of each question so that it will be help you, because that one word will make the self notes and that will help you to crack your exam. So what is the time limit for DRT to complete the process? No idea? Okay. So it is exactly the 6 month. Okay. So 180 days is given for the DRT that they have to complete the process, because as we know that if any matter go to the court now, it will hardly take 2 to 5 year, 10 year, etc. But for DRT, there is a time limit that is given to them. So the exact answer is 6 months is the right answer. Okay, cool. Next. Dash goods are to be manufactured, produced, acquired by the seller after making the contract of sale, whether it is future, specific, movable and immovable. What is the exact answer? The goods that are to be manufactured and produced and acquired by the seller after making the contract of sale. Something is there. This question has been taken from the Sales of Goods Act. Okay. Types of good is important in this one. Types of good. So what will be the exact answer of third one? Exactly. The exact answer is future good is the right answer, because in the types of good, existing good is there, that is a present good. Future good is there, contingent good is there. So three types of goods are there under the Sales of Good Act. Okay, cool. Next. What are the class main features of SARFAESI Act? To put a legal system for securitization, empowering the banks and financial institutions to take possession of the mortgage security, to tell the securities without intervention of the court, or all of the above. Main features of SARFAESI. SARFAESI is that act in which, without intervention of the court, bank and financial institution have authority to take the money from the borrower, or the loan, you can say, take the loan from the borrower. So what will be the exact answer of this one? Main features of SARFAESI Act, fourth one. Yes, fourth one, the exact answer is excellent. Those candidates who have given the D answer, that is the right one. To put a legal system into securitization, because SARFAESI Act only apply where the secured loan is there, okay, and empowering the bank and FI to take possession of mortgage security and to sell the security without intervention of the court. So D is the right answer. Good. Next one. What is the full form of FSDC? In June session, the question has been asked from this one. Financial Security and Development Council, Financial Stability and Development Council, Financial Security and Development Committee, or Financial Stability and Development Committee. What is the exact answer? What is the exact answer of fifth one? FSDC. And in this one class, the organ of FSDC is very important. So you have to learn this one. So for the fifth one, the exact answer is B is the right answer. Okay. It's a Financial Stability and Development Council. That council that is basically make how to stable the financial system in India. So this is the basic purpose of FSDC. Okay, cool. Next. Again, class Y391S, you can easily purchase the book of your JAIIB and CAIIB. Now, in which of the following mortgage class the repayment of loan is made out of the proceed of rent and profit occurring from the mortgage property. The question is very simple. A person is there, B person is there. B is suppose bank. Bank have given the 15 lakh rupees to this. A person have given the security that is of immovable property to the B person. But in that case, in this type of mortgage, A is saying to B that if I am not able to pay the money of 15 lakh, then you can just take the rent and profit from my property, but I will be not personally liable. But I will be not personally liable. So what is the exact answer? So there is a one word, one keyword which will help you to give the exact answer. The one keyword is this one, this one. What is the exact answer? Absolutely. And you know, class, the types of mortgage is very important. Types of, okay, and types of mortgage that is given in the TP Act. So that's why for the sixth one, D is the right answer. Excellent. Okay, now A promises for no consideration to give to B for rupees 1000 rupees. The question is very simple. A promises for no consideration to give B for rupees 1000. B had given rupees 1000 to A, but A is giving no consideration. So you have to tell me what type of agreement it will be called. Whether it is void, not a void agreement, either A and B, and none of these. First of all, what is consideration? So consideration is simply that is something for something. That is called the consideration. Okay. So if in any agreement there is a no consideration, so what type of agreement it will be called? Void agreement. There is a illegal agreement. There is a void contract. There is a difference between all the three terms. If I talk about the class void agreement, so void agreement is that which is from the initial stage, that is void. Illegal is also void agreement, but illegal is that which is forbidden by law. What I say, which is forbidden by law, that is called illegal. And what is void contract? The void contract means from the initial stage it is valid, but later on it become the void. That is called the void contract. So what will be the exact answer of seventh one? If there is a no consideration class, so there is a one section which talk about this one, section 25 of your Indian contract, that agreement where no consideration is there, that agreement will be called as the void agreement. So that's why A will be the right answer. Exactly. A will be the right answer. Okay, cool. Next one. This is very simple question. You have to understand this one. A applies to a banker for a loan at a time when there is a stringency in the money market. Stringency means, you know, something shortage. So A apply banker for a loan in the shortage of the money. The banker declined to make the loan. First of all, the banker declined, but accept. Accept means at an unusually high rate of interest, the banker is saying you can take the loan. It means the banker is taking high rate of interest. Okay. Now A needs money, so A accept the loan on these terms. So you have to tell me in this case whether the contract is vitiated by undue influence, valid because this is transaction in the ordinary course of business, void because the banker took the unfair advantage of the this one money, or voidable because of option of the A which is deceived by the banker. Deceive means fraud. Undue influence means, you know, किसी को वश में करना. That is called undue influence. So what is the exact answer? Just try to understand these types of question come in a 2 marks. Yes. There is a shortage of money and A want to take loan from the bank, but the bank is saying I will charge you the higher rate of interest, but A is ready to take the loan. So whether it is valid or not, whether there is any this one, the coercion, or there is any threaten on the behalf of bank, the answer is no. So from the valid contract point of view, agreement should be lawful, consideration should be lawful, object should be lawful, there should be the free consent, there should be the competent to party. So there are so many essential points of the valid contract. So you have to tell me what is the exact answer. So for the 8th one, the exact answer is this contract is valid because this transaction in the ordinary course of business. So this is the right answer. B is the right answer. In Corona, you can say that many banks have just lowered the rate of interest. So they have done not under the pressure because it's a rule that they have made. Okay, and the word that is undue influence simply means, to hypnotize someone. That is called undue influence. Suppose a person is going to B is, you can say, the guru is there. Okay, so a person is saying, sir, A is saying to B, sir, I just want to crack this JAIIB exam in the first and single attempt. B is saying, you have to give me all the property of yours, then you will absolutely crack your JAIIB exam. So under the influence of B person, A had given all the money to the B person. So this case, the A have a right to breach the contract. Why? Because there is an undue influence in that case. And if any agreement is done by the undue influence, that agreement will be called as the voidable. So this is the right answer. Okay, this is the right answer. Okay, it is just simply a logic. You have to understand this logic. Okay, so any agreement which is done by undue influence, okay, any agreement which is done by undue influence, any agreement which is done by coercion, which is done by fraud, which is done by misrepresentation, that agreement should be voidable contract. Voidable means one party have an option to breach the contract. Okay, one party have option to breach the contract. That is called this one. Okay, so that's all for today's class. This batch, that is the English medium batch, is going to be start from 16th of August. So if you are new candidate, if you want to learn all the concept of 4 module in a single attempt, so this batch will really give you the benefit. There is a live class in this batch from 16 August. Your subject is going to be start, and your LRB subject will be start from 5th of September. So if you want to crack this exam, you can take admission by using the code Y391. You can exactly get the 78% discount in this batch. Okay, so now how to purchase this batch? The process is very simple. So if you want to purchase the batch, see, first of all, just open this Google Chrome, click on all courses, JAIIB, CAIIB, and this is the English medium. If you click on English medium, you can see the batches are there. 5th September, this batch is going to be start. 16, this one, and 22, this batch is going to be start. Okay, 22nd. You can also purchase the single one also. Okay, if you see the study plan here, you can see the study plan. I think there is some this one. Okay, you can see the study plan here. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Okay, so if you want to purchase this one, click on this, click on view offer, put the coupon code Y391, click on apply. You can see the discount is 677%. So the actual price is 3679 is the actual price of this batch. So if you want to enroll in this batch, you can use the coupon code that is Y391. Okay, and if you want to purchase the single batch, you can easily purchase the single batch also. Okay, as you can see, from 16th August, this batch is going to be start LRB and PPB from 5th September. The timing will be here 6 to 7, 8 to 9, 9 to 10. The timing of this one. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Have a nice day. We will meet you tomorrow at 9 p.m. sharp.